Hello, my crafty friends. It's Trinae, and today I'm sharing with you these little shaker pockets. Look how cute are these that I created. Now, I created these for a pocket letter because these pockets are the perfect size to go in like a pocket letter like this. Where's my pocket letter paper? Like this. It goes into these perfectly. Like, what? So I was like, it'll be fun to create a pocket letter full of 9 actual pockets. So that is what I created. But today I'm jumping on to show you, ooh, look at that, a star stuck on my nail. I got glitter everywhere, sequins everywhere. But today I came on because I wanted to show you how exactly I'm creating the shaker pockets that are going into my pocket letter, because if I would have tried to keep it all in one video, it would have been super duper long, and I'm trying to cut down on editing, and so it won't be so long for y'all. I'm trying not to keep y'all all day, but I talk a lot. So let's get on with this tutorial or process video, however you want to walk through, whatever you want to call it, on how I create these pockets. And there we have it, 3 cute little pockets to go inside of our pocket letter. Now the cool thing is, like, if you're not doing a pocket letter and you want to recreate this project, go right ahead. This would go into like an envelope just as easy. It would go into like a flip book just as easy. You can do any type of Happy Meal, or you can just send this on its own and just just give it to somebody. It's really, really cute. I really like the way everything turned out. I really didn't have much of a plan. I just knew I wanted to create some pockets that shaped and I kind of made it up as I went along, and I thank you guys for coming along with me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you love these shoes. Like, for real, them shoes got it going on, right? And you guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up, and then share it with your crafty friend so that they can come and watch and be part of the craftiness. Hey, hey, hey. So go ahead and share it out, and I will see you guys. Oh, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be some of those crafty friends that show up right as I post. And then I'll be on there, and then I can see your comments and reply to you almost immediately, because I stick around for about an hour after I post my videos. So that way, if somebody have a question, I'm there. I'm right there. So go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get access to me like that if you have questions, because sometimes I forget to let stuff be known, and y'all have questions and I don't mind answering them. All right, so that is it for me today. I hope you like this video.